In this video, I'll show you how to make your videos look more cinematic and professional using filters and color grading in CapCut. We'll go step by step through adding filters, adjusting colors, and fine-tuning your clips so they look absolutely amazing. And without wasting your time, let's get straight into it. When it comes to adding filters or getting color correction done in your video, I know right now this video kind of looks good, but by the time we're finally done and we add the color correction or color grading, whichever one people call it, you'll actually see the difference right now. Right now, this video right here, no color correction. This was actually where we stopped in the last video. No color correction yet, no filters. Also, let me tell you something you need to know. You can see filters right here. The difference in filters and color grading or color correction is simple. Filters is just like it's a template. It's fixed already. You work with it. You just apply it. The only change you can just make to it is the degree of effectiveness of a filter. I want the filter to be 100% effective on the material or like 50% effective on the material. So you can see the filters right here. Why color correction is this option right here? You can see adjust. So this one you do everything manually. You do your sharpen, your saturation, contrast, and everything manually. So filters we have, and this is for color grading or color correction. So we just start with filters. As you can see, we have filters and we have adjust, filters, templates, adjust, manual. Just like the way we have cars, we have automatic cars and we have like manual gears and things like that. That's the same way it is when it comes to filters and also like manually color grading or color correction, whichever one you want to call it. So yeah, very simple. We have our video right here. It looks good, no problem. But by the time we had the colors, you actually see what I'm talking about. So we click on filters. As you can see right here, we're going to explore the different filter options we have for what's called for CapCut. You can see we have life, very simple. You can see just select whichever one you want and you actually just see what I'm talking about. We have landscape, we have movies. So like popular movies that you've seen, they have their filters here. So for instance, we have Oppenheimer. I know we have Barbie. Where's the Barbie option? Yeah, this is Barbie right here. We have Barbie. We have I think Don't Look Up or one other movie. So yeah, Don't Look Up is also here. So yeah, if you want like the color correction setting in Barbie, simply just select it. And you can see, it has this pink option. So the only thing you can now do is either you duplicate it, you split it, you delete it, or you make layers. Just keep that over now. You come to adjust. Like I said, the only change you can make when it comes to filters is the degree of effectiveness. So you can like, okay, you know what, this is 0 or this is 100. This is like the only change you can make, degree of effectiveness. But yeah, Barbie's actually know what I want. I'd like now. But yeah, these are the options. Mono is very simple, either white or black or like white and brown. Yeah, just like mono colors. And that's it. So depending on the kind of stuff you're editing. But for me, there's one I like. Let me see. I think it's in movies. Yeah, this one, this blue gray. I love it so much. Or eye saturation is also nice. Let me see how eye saturation looks like. Oppenheimer, we all know, like the popular movie Oppenheimer, which is funny because I've actually not seen the movie anyways, but yeah. So you can see how this looks. And I'm going to show you like before and after now. So this is how it looks with the color correction. So this is before, this is after. Before, can you guys see it? Before, after, before, after. So I can just come here right now and just, you know what? I want it to be, let's say, 20% of the filter or maybe 100% all the way. But for me, I'll just go with like, let's say 75. I'm fine with 75, which is good enough for me. So rather than me having to like manually set my saturation, manually set this, manually set that, no, I'm just going to go with this one. And also, like, remember, you can apply like multiple. But I don't think it makes sense to apply like multiple filters anyways. Like, why would you apply multiple filters just when you can just have one? I can decide to add, let's say, clear. So now you can see we have clear and we have like what's it called? Both of them. So let's see the difference now. So this one has clear over it and this one doesn't have clear over it. So very minor difference actually. So yeah, you can choose to add as many as possible. So basically, that's it for applying filters. Very simple, nothing more than that. That's just it, guys, when it comes to applying filters. So now for color correction, color grading, you come to adjust. So let's move to this next one right here. You come to adjust. And this one, you have to actually know how color, like you need to have an eye for good color. You just don't want to like play around. But I'll give you a base setting that I naturally, or like I always work with. You cannot go wrong with this. So you see it on the screen right now. This is what I work with every time. I have it. I even have it in a preset right here, and I have it as a base. So yeah, these are my presets. These are like color correction options that I've used before, or color grading option that I've used before. So the base one is, you can never go wrong with base. Basically, just click on base. I have base anyways, but I'll actually show you the setting for base. So basically, the setting I have for base is simple. I have my let me show you. I have saturation in 10, saturation 10. I have saturation in 10. I know I have let me see. I have temperature minus 15. Minus 15 for temperature. That's because like I'm in Lagos, Nigeria, so that it's like a bit very sunny here. So yeah, I want to like cool things down a bit. So you cannot go wrong with this ones. Saturation 10, temperature minus 10. It's literally just you working off the same point, because by default everything is in 0 0. So I'll just take saturation plus 10, temperature minus 10. So saturation just like increase like the intensity of the color. While temperature is okay, you know what, do you want it warm or do you want it blue, like cool? So yeah, that's just basically what I do. So basically you come saturation plus 10, then you come to temperature. No, sorry, temperature. Where's temperature? Your temperature is here. Minus 10 or minus 15, depending on like how warm or how cold it is when you're shooting. So you can't go wrong with that. And also yeah, sharpen. Basically just come to sharpen. Where's sharpen? Yeah, sharpen also. Yeah, I think sharpen 25 to 30 or 20 sometimes. I think I have, what do I have here? I have 30, so I have 30. Yeah. So yeah, that's my base setting. I think I should also have vignette. Let me see if I have vignette. Yeah. Look, I don't have vignette. So the vignette basically just adds, you can see like these dark edges to it. It helps with like focusing. So I can just probably just add vignette 1. It's definitely more complex than this end as well. Like this is like a basic setting. Also, like there are things like color match and other things. Color match is a very, very interesting feature. So color match allows you to select, let me click on it. It allows you to select a part of your video and make sure the colors match actually. So let's say for instance now you shot a video during the day and you shot another video, let's say like when the sun is a bit down. So because you don't have like the same what's it called, the same color or the same lighting for both videos, you can use color match to make sure each color matches. So I can just, you know what, the beginning of this video I've applied like effects to it. Why this part I have no effect? I can just click on color match and just click on apply, and you can see right now it applies. Yeah, so you can see there just has an added to it. So now it looks more like what we have here, but not exact, but kind of similar. So that's it for color match. Yeah, very simple. Also, let's say you even like see a movie you like online or whatever, and you like the color setting they have, you can just like upload and just like get the color match for that one. So yeah, that's basically it. So you don't have to stress about that one. Just cancel it up here. So that's it for color match. Color correction, basically this is like automatic. CapCut just naturally uses like its AI tool to like generate color correction for you. So you can like, okay, you know what, I want this all the way, I want just a little bit of it, just use 50 or whatever, or reset it. Yeah. So yeah, you have brightness. Basically you can reduce your brightness, increase your brightness. Reduce is usually what most people use anyway, but I don't need to reduce anything. Contrast, yeah, you can see. So yeah, just play around with this. Like I said, I've actually shown you the setting I naturally use. If I'm ever going to use contrast, I don't go more than 1 or 2, depending on, because if you shoot your videos properly, you don't have to like do so much when it comes to like the whole color correction part. If you have the perfect light, if you shoot in the perfect like atmosphere and things like that, you don't have to like do so much when you actually color grade it, because in the actual production phase you actually like shot the videos properly. So yeah, saturation I just do, let's say plus 10. Sharpen, let me say I do 20 for this one. Clarity I don't need to. Clarity is similar to sharpen, but like it makes your stuff dark, gets darker more, so I'll leave that for 0. Yeah, shadow I don't need to work on shadow, I don't need to work on whites, I don't need to work on blacks. Temperature I bring it down, you can see. So it goes blue this way, it goes red this way. But yeah, I just wanted to like a bit, let's say minus 10.
if you want more videos on color correction or color grading, like you can check, I actually made a video like on this page, on this channel. So yeah, you can see like more videos on that. But like I said, if you don't know how your settings or the setting that works best for the video you want to use, just, you know what, use a filter. Or if you see like a movie you like, or a movie you watched and you like the color setting they used, just take a screenshot of the movie, come to color match, upload that frame from the movie, and naturally CapCut just pick the color settings they used and they just apply it on yours for you. So yeah, that's just basically it. Also, you can like take your adjust and even bring it over your what's it called? Yeah, you can bring it over this one, so you can see. Let me split this so you can see the before and after. So this is me using filter alone, and this is me using filter and my normal adjust setting. So not so much difference anyways, but yeah, I can just delete it. So guys, that's just like an overview of how to get color grading done or use a template, which is filters.
I'll show you how to create a simple and clean edit in just 5 minutes. If you're new to CapCut or video editing, then this is a video for you. You've made it this far, so don't just stop here. Continue with this playlist and learn as much as possible about CapCut, or check out other interesting videos on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.